road to going home. Keyshawn?
Finally.
We're going home finally. We're at Singh's roti shop and we had curry, shrimp, roti.
Go get
Great chicken.
Go get napkin.
Go get napkins. We got cream soda.
I think you
Sorrel. We made it to Whataburger. We're leaving now. We really made it to Texas now. Look, they have UT merch. We made it to Buc-ee's.
Read what it says.
Read it! We love you. Welcome home. What?
It's brand new.
You got me a car.
He's the one that chooses it, and he's the one that's paying.
No, come on.
Yeah,